to my channel. So I'm starting off today's video in my kitchen because in today's video I'm going vegan for a week. So I'm actually going vegan for 5 days, like a business week, but I wanted to try this out. I don't think I could actually ever go for real full vegan, mainly because I'm such a picky eater that there's so much food I would not be able to eat. I don't think I'd have enough to sustain myself and actually not be hungry all the time. I don't like vegetables, I don't like beans, I don't like tofu. A huge part of the vegan diet I don't like, so I think it'd be really hard to actually keep up with this for real. I heard a lot about the health benefits and also the environmental benefits and obviously the ethical benefits of going vegan. So I wanted to try it and basically see how well I could do with it. I'm gonna be cooking all the meals I normally cook, but I'm going to try to see if I can modify them to be vegan. And then I also want to obviously branch out and try some new things. And maybe by the end of this, I will realize that going vegan is not as hard as I think, and then I can incorporate more vegan meals into my everyday life. So today is Monday, January 7th. It's actually my first full day back in Orlando since being home for winter break. Classes technically start today, but I don't have any classes on campus until tomorrow. So I'm free pretty much all day, but it's 11:30 right now. For some reason, I honestly wasn't that hungry until right now. Normally I'll force myself to eat breakfast even if I'm not hungry, but I don't have any food because I've been gone for a month. The only food that is in our fridge right now is Izzy's because she went grocery shopping yesterday. So I need to go do that. That's pretty much why I haven't eaten all morning. But I wanted to start off this video, tell you guys what I'm doing. That way I could take you guys grocery shopping with me. I have a list on my phone. I actually texted my friend Lauren. I'll have her channel linked down below. But she's been vegan for as long as I've known her. So I texted her and asked for some good meat replacements and cheese replacements, and then just some of her favorite vegan meals to eat. So I'm gonna go to Publix, pick up some of that stuff, and then we'll get started with the day. We made it to Publix. Tonight, I think I'm gonna make my family spaghetti. I really want it. We're having people over tonight to watch The Bachelor. So I told a couple people, but I'm gonna make it and then use vegan meat instead of regular meat and then just not tell anybody and see if they can tell the difference. Even though a lot of people already know, but that's what I'm doing. So we've got everything for the spaghetti except for the meat. So I have to go try to find that because it's obviously not in the regular meat section. I think it's normally frozen. Ignore these. Izzy got us and these. Izzy got these buy one get one free. I'm not gonna eat them till next week. But everything else in here I'm pretty sure is vegan from what I can tell. I think I'm gonna get the vegan meatballs and then the vegan burger. I think they have vegan ice cream here, which I know is not very healthy, but it's vegan. I'm gonna grab some butter though. This is the Earth Balance butter. I've been buying this for months actually, even when I'm not eating vegan. It's really good though. It tastes just like regular butter. I'm also gonna grab some of the vegan cheddar slices to put on that burger that I got. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. All right, we're back from Publix. Our arms hurt really bad. We had a lot of food to bring up because we had no food in the fridge. I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul of the stuff that I bought. I got some meatless meatballs. I got some vegan cheese slices, some raspberry vinaigrette to make salad with, cookies, bagel crisp, some corn. We got some beefless burger patties. Got some vegan ice cream, some strawberries, and that's pretty much the gist of it. I just got fruit and all things vegan. So that is my grocery haul. It's almost lunchtime basically, so I might make a smoothie. All right, just made my smoothie. It has peaches, strawberries, orange juice, and some spinach in it. So this is lunch. Honestly, I'm just not that hungry today. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm sick, but this is lunch for the day. Okay, so it's about 4 o'clock right now. I just put all the ingredients for the spaghetti on the stove. I'm gonna list the recipe for this down below. It's actually a family recipe. It's so good. The best spaghetti you will ever have, ever. So I'll have the recipe linked down below if you guys wanna make it for yourself. It takes about 3 hours to cook. I make the sauce from scratch. This is what it looks like right now. It's cooking all together. Ignore the fact that I have a pan on top of this. You have to cover it and I don't have a lid big enough for this pot. So that's what this situation is.
135 subscribers, please help me out.
I have 4.
Link down below.
Sensei Mars, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
This video is a hot mess. This is my pasta. Ignore the ratchet bowl. We just didn't want to have to do any dishes. I decided not to make meatballs just because it was gonna take too much time. I was running really late and everybody's yelling in the background. But this is my dinner. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. I'm actually on my way right now to get my eyelashes done. Ignore the studio light in my backseat. I haven't unpacked. I woke up a little bit late and didn't have time to make anything at the apartment, so I figured I would just stop by McDonald's. But they have really good oatmeal, and I googled it, and I'm pretty sure that's vegan. I promise this is the only time in this video I will get McDonald's. Just did not have time to make anything else, and this was the closest thing to my apartment. We got the oatmeal, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive there and then eat my oatmeal, I guess, in the parking lot right before I go inside. All right guys, I'm back. I'm getting my eyelashes done. We also tinted them, so that's why it looks like I have eyeliner on right now. I have another like 3 hours until I have to be at class, so like I'll probably leave around 2 just because there's gonna be traffic and stuff. So I have 2 hours here. So I figured I'd make myself one of the burgers that I got yesterday because we have a grill down by the pool. Okay, so these say they cook in 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm gonna take one out and then put some oil on it like it says. I made it down to the grill. It's warming up right now. I ended up not having oil to put on these. It said on the like instruction to like oil it. All that I had was spray oil. So I just like used the vegan butter that I got yesterday on there. My burger is done. It looks kind of weird because this bun is too small for it, but it actually smelled really, really good, like the burger did. So I'm interested to try this. I'm really nervous about the cheese though. It totally tastes like a normal burger. It literally tastes straight up like a cheeseburger. Yeah, the cheese tastes like cheese. I was really nervous about finding food that I like to eat that was like gonna fill me up and was like substantial. I'm really happy about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch and I'll talk to you guys around dinner. Hey guys, it's been quite a while since I've talked to you. We just got to Port Orleans French Quarter. We're actually doing Disney trivia at Riverside, which by the way, really hard, but really fun. So if you guys are ever in Orlando, definitely should try that out. I didn't vlog eating dinner. I literally made a piece of corn though. It wasn't anything special. I was rushing out of the house. I came back from class and had 6 minutes to do my makeup and eat. Don't know how I even managed to do that, but we did it. So that's why I didn't film dinner. The reason we're at French Quarter now is to get beignets, also to pick up our pillow pets that we put on hold, but mainly to get beignets, which are vegan and gluten-free. I'm so happy! Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. I am so excited. I'm gonna take a bite.
Flying like drugs back and forth and like. So Megan, your vegan review, how is it?
10 out of 10 will recommend. It's so good. Anyways, I'm gonna continue eating this beignet. I'll talk to you guys in the morning.
Megan, how dare you?
I'm living a great life. Good morning guys. So it is 10 a.m. I woke up about an hour ago. I just showered and blow dried my hair, and now I'm gonna make breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna make anything too crazy. Honestly, you know, I think I'm gonna just have a bowl of cereal with some almond milk in it. That's, I think, the move. This is breakfast. I feel bad. I feel like maybe I picked the wrong week to film this video because I'm really busy. I feel like I don't have time to like make a bunch of food. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, get ready, and then I'll talk to you guys around lunch after my interview. So that'll be fun. All right, you guys, I'm back from my interview. It went really, really well. I'm really excited about that, but I'm starving. I got my corn and my butter, and I got some cuties. I think that's gonna be the move for lunch. Okay, so corn is done. I think I'm gonna add some of the vegan butter that I got. Like I said, when I bought this, I've been using this for literally maybe like a year. How do you butter corn? When I moved in, I bought the cutest little Mickey Mouse corn holders, and I haven't even used them until now. So excited. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some garlic salt. I've recently become obsessed with garlic salt and put it on literally everything. Yum. All right guys, this is my lunch. It looks weird with just like this piece of corn sitting on a plate, but I didn't know how else to eat it. And then I just peeled 2 of like the cutie oranges to put in here. I'm very excited. This corn smells so, so good. Also, look how cute my little corn holder things are. All right, see you guys at dinner. We're gonna make these vegan chocolate chip cookies. These are Sweet Lauren's brand. Start. Good cookies. I got my almond milk and my vegan chocolate chip cookies, so we're ready to have a good night. And we're painting. It's a good time. Good morning, guys. I look like a little boy. But I'm about to go grab acai bowls with Caitlin. I woke up this morning around 9 and stayed in bed for an hour. I just did not feel good. And then I got up, started to finish unpacking, and then realized I'm super freaking hungry. And Caitlin just got out of class, so we're gonna go get acai bowls at a place next to campus. Picking up my daughter from school. So we got our food. So I got a bagel with vegan cream cheese, and then I got my bowl without honey because I know honey's not technically vegan. So this is our lunch. I'm starving. I have not literally had anything to eat today. It's already 12. How it's not real cream cheese, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna have Caitlin try the vegan cream cheese. I kind of like it better than regular cream cheese. It's really good. It's like kind of sweeter than regular cream cheese, I think. All right guys, it is dinner time. I am down at the pool. Just turned on the grill, so I'm gonna wait for that to heat up, and then I'm gonna make another burger tonight for dinner. And then maybe I'll make some sweet potato fries in the air fryer also. I'm gonna get ready today before I left for my class, but then I ended up going to the gym for like 20 minutes and then going to class. So I didn't have time to do that. I'm literally still wearing my sports bra, but I'm freaking freezing. It's like 40 something degrees. Gus is very skeptical of my vegan burger. Look at it.
Skeptical. I'm skeptical of anything vegan.
It doesn't look normal, but it smells good.
Look.
Gus is really testing his luck. Wait, you're gonna have to put your foot down. No. He's back at it again.
Kind of living life on the edge, guys.
On the edge. And she's ready. The burger is so much bigger than the bun. Anyways, dinner is done. Alright you guys, welcome to the final day of being vegan for a week. So, I'm starving. I think I'm just gonna make myself some toast and cut up some fruit for breakfast. I have a very busy day today. I'm not really going anywhere. I just have a lot to get done. I woke up this morning, showered. That's my hair is still like kind of wet, and then got ready, but I'm still in sweatpants. And this is breakfast. Ignore how weird the peanut butter looks on these apples. It just would not stay. Almost 5 o'clock right now, so I need to make some dinner. I've been sitting at my desk all day today, editing, doing homework. I actually had to call this morning because I got that job that I interviewed for earlier in the week. So we had to call just to like talk about like getting started. I'm gonna make some dinner. I think I'm just gonna make pasta because that's all I really feel like making right now. All right, so I made my pasta. I'm just gonna sit here and eat this. Ignore that I have a plastic fork. We just don't have any other clean ones. And I'm about to take a quiz and eat this pasta. All right, you guys, Caitlin and I are actually about to go to Disney. We're both leaving the house. We both just been basically working all day long. We're both very excited though to be leaving the house. Before I did that, I wanted to end this video, but also try the vegan ice cream that I got because I realized I never tried it. So I got this cookie butter ice cream. The brand is Steve's Ice Cream. It's made with organic coconut cream. Ready to cheers? I don't like it. I don't like it either. You can tell that it tastes like cookie butter, but it kind of just tastes like watered down, almost like how flavored water is flavored like strawberry, but the flavor of strawberry is like barely there. That's kind of what this reminds me of. It's like the flavored water of ice cream. It's kind of sad. I was hoping I'd end it on a really good note, but I did want to recap really quickly and let you guys know what I thought about my week being vegan. Overall, it was a really fun experience. It was definitely as hard as I thought it was going to be. Hoping it was going to be easier, but it definitely was a challenge. I'm a very picky eater, so finding things that I really liked was really difficult. And I also felt like even though I was full when I was eating, I didn't feel like good about it. Even though I was full every time I finished eating and I was full all day long, I felt like I was craving more and like I wasn't getting what I wanted. Still felt like there was something missing, which is really weird. I don't know why, maybe just because I was craving normal food. I definitely found some vegan options that I really like that I could definitely see myself like incorporating into my normal everyday diet, like replace regular milk with almond milk. I could get those cookies that I made that one night instead of regular cookies because those I really like. The butter that I use, I've been using for months and I love it. So that's already vegan. It's something that I just use on a daily basis. The cheese replacement, I will say I did not love. I don't think I'll be able to have vegan cheese instead of regular cheese. The first bite that I took, I was like, oh, this is good. This is like regular cheese. And then the more I ate it, I was like, this is not regular cheese.
But like I said, overall this was a really cool experience. It was something fun to do. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If there's any other videos you guys want to see for 2019, make sure you comment those down below. And I will see you all really soon with another new video. Bye guys.